Hello guys, once again. This is part 2 years later of another fire alarm going off in an abandoned school. Last time I recorded this video was in 2021. We are here now in 2025. Today's July 16th, 6:31 a.m. in the morning. And here we have again this fire alarm going off again 4 years later. The last video that I uploaded on YouTube, I uploaded way after, but here it is. The way I see it, I don't know if somebody has set off the fire alarms or they're playing with it. But it sounds like somebody trying to reset it. If anyone of y'all is from Houston, Texas, we out here in Cloverland, where this used to be Rhodes Elementary School that now is currently abandoned. No fires this time like it was last time, so you hear more on this side. Well, that's all I have it.